Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Rainbow Fertilizer and grow a garden fall market update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get Rainbow Fertilizer, you need to join this event, fall energy event. You can complete the activity to get fall energy, and you need to earn certain fall energy to get the Rainbow Fertilizer. Okay, and these are the fall activities you need to do to get the fall energy. For example, you need to harvest 20 corns and hatch 1 fall egg. And after you earn the fall energy, you will get a reward here, and these are the potential rewards. And if you want to get the Rainbow Fertilizer, you need to earn 500 fall energy. So you can do the activity until you reach 500 fall energy, and you will have a chance to get this Rainbow Fertilizer. Okay, and that's so cool guys. You can earn the fall energy. You can complete the activities and earn fall energy to get it. Okay, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.